We're here in Ouachita County, Arkansas at the South Central Service Cooperative, where we just finished a pretty nice conference room setup that we'd like to show you. So the needs of our client were pretty straightforward. They needed their space, which is divisible 3 different ways, to be accessible by multiple people on staff. And so we came up with something using Kramer control that was very simple to operate, that left most of the automation on the back end. So let's have a look. You'll notice the only control that the client has is this, the KT107 touch panel. If we touch it, we notice that they only have the 3 configuration selections and a power off button. If we go to single room configuration, what happens is all of our projectors will power on, our audio system will power. If we go back to the home button and go to 2-room configuration, and the rear 2 projectors power off, front 2 stay on, and then the routing and everything happens on the back end. And then we also have 4-room configuration, which gives us volume control of 4 different spaces. Up top, we've got 4 Optima ZU510T laser projectors. These projectors are laser because we wanted the ability to power on and power off almost instantly without waiting for cool down and warm up times typically associated with projection. So this gives us that option if someone goes into a configuration and realizes that they wanted a different configuration, or if they go out accidentally, they can come right back in without having to wait for that cool down to take place. All 4 of our screens are daylight, and we've upgraded the screens from the typical perm wall to one that's got this nice black velvet finish around the frame. Audio system is Kramer Yarden. These are 8-inch 2-way drop-in speakers. It is a really nice solution for a space like this. They have 4 rotatable high-frequency drivers, which gives us coverage anywhere we want it. We were able to fill this space with sound, no problem. So let's take a look in the rack and see where the magic happens. The entire rack system is from Middle Atlantic, and then we've got also the Middle Atlantic drawer and the 2200 VA UPS there on the bottom, keeping everything going in the event of an outage and providing some protection. So up top we've got the SL280, which is our room controller from Kramer. And then the next thing down is the VP558, handling all of our heavy duty switching and scaling. Underneath we've got 4 Shure SLX systems, 2 with the SLX1 body pack and a Countryman headset, and 2 with the SM58 handheld. So then we've got the UA844 handling all of our antenna distribution. We've got the TOA D901 digital rack mixer handling all of our matrixing and all of our switching between inputs and outputs of our audio system. Speaking of the audio system, below our Middle Atlantic drawer that houses all of our transmitters and things, we've got 4 PA120Zs, 1 for each zone, and then below that we've got the PL50 handling all of our power control, so we can power things on and off as needed within the system. The coolest thing about the Kramer control system is it's completely open source. We're not entering code, we're not doing anything. We're basically just dragging and dropping anything that we want to control and how we want to control it, and creating our own interface customizable to our clients' needs. It is a long overdue, genius way to handle room configurations such as this and anything that you need to control and automate. So thank you to Travis and Jesse with Kramer. They've been very helpful in this, our inaugural installation of Kramer Control. If you need anything like this, we are Binsberg Pro Audio Visual. We do audio, visual, lighting, and control systems here in Arkansas, some in Texas, Louisiana, and a little bit into Mississippi. So if you're within our region, give us a call. We're at 870-814-0714, or you can visit us online at binsbergav.com.